What up, y'all? I basically ordered a bolted Funko Pop that I've always wanted from Amazon, and it came all the way from Amazon US, and it just arrived now. And I just got it, and basically there's a hole here, so I'm not sure how bad the quality is, or if they packed it right. So we're gonna find out. Without further ado, let's go to the unboxing video. All right, here it is. Oh, I'm a little bit nervous. Um, yeah, let's find out. I've always wanted this Funko, and it's actually hard to get here. And yeah, most of them you have to order overseas. So then they had it in Amazon for sale, and I thought, oh, this might be my opportunity. So I took it, and it came here 2 weeks later. So let's see how it goes. Ooh. Alright, alright. Okay, so good news, it's in a Funko Pop protector. So, it's in a protector, so that's great. Awesome, love it. And piece it up here. It's okay, because I'm going to take it out and put it into a hard cover. So, yeah, I've always wanted this one. I couldn't get a chance. I didn't get a chance before. So, now I'm trying to catch up on my Funko collection. So, oh man, I gotta be careful what I'm doing here. Gotta be careful. You know what? Maybe I should do it a bit later. Ooh, that doesn't look good. Okay, I gotta be really careful. No, how about it? Okay. No, I'll do it later. Okay, I'll just do it later. Let's just. Oh man, I've already wanted this. I finally got it. Check out the box condition. Man, it's perfect. Wow. Oh god, I love it. Yes. All right. Yeah, don't worry, I'm gonna take out this Funko and put it into a hard cover on a legit Funko Pop cover. So yeah, I'm not too worried about the plastic, but I'm glad the condition is great. Oh my god, it's just a relief. Yeah, wow. All right, man, I'm so happy it's such in a good condition, and now I put it in my hard case. So, what I learned, if there's anything you want, make sure you get it before it get vaulted, or you'll be paying like nearly double the price. So, yeah, and I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please press the like and subscribe for more Star Wars content from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.